And processing plant in Kiambu County has been reopened after 10 years, promising a market for over 3,500 members of the Limuru Dairy Cooperative. However, the processing plant's chairperson Juguna Chege says more than 150 million shillings is needed to finance a new milk pasteurizing machine and long-life milk machine since the existing ones have broken down.
Access to market remains a key challenge for farmers across the country. And for dairy farmers, the farm gate price is one that they are keen on, given the high cost of production. In Limuru, farmers had been facing challenges selling their milk after the Limuru Milk and Processing Plant was closed down 10 years ago. There is good news after the management of the factory announced its reopening, offering a new market for dairy farmers in the area.
What spoils the prices of milk is when we get milk from outside the country. We are happy that these days the government has done what is humanly possible to avoid milk coming from outside the country.
However, the management of the factory says they need about 150 million shillings to do repairs and replace some key machinery to make the factory modern. Among those machinery earmarked for replacement is a pasteurizing machine, as well as putting in place a long-life milk production line.
Kubaliana tunaweza chagia kwa mkulima anaweza katwa shilingi moja au shilingi mbili kwa sababu tayari maziwa tuko naye. Our production yetu imeshaenda juu. Kwa hivyo tutashikana pamoja na our leaders na tukubaliana watukate kitu kidogo kwa upande wa maziwa ili tuweze kushikana na our national government na county government ili sasa to revive hiyo process yetu.
The National Agricultural and Rural Inclusive Growth Project has committed to spend 100 million shillings on revamping the plant, with the Kiambu County government pledging to chip in 35 million shillings.
Tukifikia hapo kwa kupack maziwa yenyewe, tutakuwa na kujivunia sana kuwa soko yetu itaendelea kuwa juu na tutakuwa na pesa.
We know we have very good quality milk in Limuru. So we are hoping to make the best and we are looking forward. I'm sure we'll beat them all.
Was speaking during a field visit where area farmers welcomed the decision to open the factory.